Hello, today I would like to demonstrate how you can convert a Google Forms into a quiz. And Google Forms, they are found in Google Drive, and which is found if you have a Gmail. So I'm going to click there, and where we have all the apps are here, and we have a Drive, Google Drive, and you can get Google Forms in two places. We have here where it is written My Drive. When you click there, you get a drop down menu, and the last item here written More. When you highlight it, you get the first item here is a Google Form. Also, you can get it where it is written New. When you click there, you get a drop down menu, and the last one here also written More, and on your right you get the Google Forms. Now this is the Google Form, and I'm going to talk about these three items here. And the first one is you customize theme. So when you click there, you can customize your theme. You can choose a header depending on the concept that you are teaching. We have others that have been saved automatically here, or you can upload. You can upload one in your system. And if I can get this one, algebra, I open. I click done, and it will appear here as a header. Also, you can decide to change the theme of the color according to your preference. I can change mine there here, and I can add that one. And also, I can change the background color, and it will appear this way. And then if I'm done with that, I click that. Then we have the preview. That one will come after I'm through with setting the quiz. And then you have the settings here, and under setting you have general, presentation, and quizzes. So under this one, general, you limit to one response. So a student can only only submit once, and they are not supposed to edit after they submit. So the rest you leave it like that. In presentation, this one is for you as a teacher. But here you can write a confirmation message. So after the student submit the quiz, maybe you can get this confirmation message. And then the last one here, we have the quiz. Make this a quiz, yes, and then release grade immediately after each submission. That is what we want, or later after the manual preview. So maybe you don't want the system to mark automatically, you want you to mark it manually, then you can leave this one like that, or you can click there. Then you click send. So we are good to go. We have our vertical menu here, where now you can get your questions from. You can create your question from here. So the first question here is multiple. The first item here, it indicates other question, import question. If you had some questions you had set somewhere on the another Google form, you can import them. You can add a title or description, maybe section A, section B of the question. You can add an image from where you can ask question from, and then you can also add a video from where you can ask question from that particular video. So we have a question here, and the first one here, maybe you can ask the student to write their names if they don't have a Gmail account. So maybe you can ask the student to write your name and probably and class and maybe admission number. And then you can choose if you want short answer, a paragraph, or a multiple choice, but in our case here is a short answer. You choose that one. So, and then you make this question required, it is compulsory. You make it compulsory. So the student, if they try to submit without writing the name, then they will be referred back to this question. Then you add now another question of multiple choice, Maybe I want to demonstrate, maybe using math. Maybe you can ask what is 5 times 4. What is 5 times 4? So you have the first option here. Maybe you can indicate that it's 9. You can give another one, maybe 10. You can add another option. The correct one is 20. Maybe you can add the last option there. Maybe you can give any figure, maybe even 15. And then you cancel the one that you don't require. And then you come here where it is written answer key, click. Then it is written here, choose the correct answers. Maybe that this answer is 20. So they can be 2, so you can choose even 2. And you award the points or the marks that you want the student to gain after answering the question correctly. That is 2. Then after that, you mark done. After you mark done, then you mark here required. So that question is also compulsory. The student must answer that question before submitting. Then I go to the second demonstration of a question, maybe of a question of yes and no. So you come here, you click check boxes, and maybe very fast I demonstrate what or is 2 times 2 equals 4 equals 4. Sorry for that. Is it equals 4? So the first option there is yes. You add another option which is no, which is no, and then you cancel the one that you don't want. So you come here as we did the first question, answer key, you choose correct answers, and the correct answer here is yes. How many points do you want to award? The correct answer 2. Then you mark here done, and then you say that it is required, it is compulsory. Then you can go on and on and on. But I would like to mention something here about an image. Maybe you can ask a question based on an image. So you can come here. There is an icon which is appearing here. So you write the question here, and then you get the image maybe from the system. You can browse, for example, any figure. Maybe I don't know whether I have one for maths. Maybe you want this one of a cone. So you browse it, and then you upload it here. So it will appear here, and then maybe you can ask a question based on that. And also, you can ask the student to add an image also. Maybe you want the students to answer questions on a piece of paper, maybe to draw something or to demonstrate something, to work out a question in maths, and then take a photo and then upload it here so that you can mark that particular question. Also, you can ask the student to add a video. Maybe maybe they can recite a poem, or they can explain a certain concept in any subject, and then they can upload that video, and then you can see that particular video here, and so on. So that is what you can do with Google Forms as a quiz. And after you are through with that, maybe you can review. You can review. So this is how it will appear. Write your name, what is 5 times 4, and so on. And then the student can answer the question and submit. So when you are through with it, and you have confirmed that everything is okay, then you can send this form. Now, you can send it through an email. If the students they have emails, you can send them the email. Or secondary, you can get a link for that form. So, and here there is an option of shortening the link. So you can shorten the link, and then you copy the link, and then you post it either in our subgroup. The students, maybe they are at home. Secondly, those who are using Google Classroom, you can go to Google Classroom and upload this form from the drive. So there is that option for that. So you can do that. So when you copy this one, you can send it to either email or a message or a WhatsApp group and so on. So after you send, maybe I can send this one to myself. Let's see, I've sent that one to myself. You can add collaborators and so on. So after you are through with that, then you may decide maybe to do the question. Let me do the question so that you may see how it goes. So I write my name there, Karanja. Then I try to answer the question, what is 5 times 4? It is 20. Is 2 times 2 is equal to 4? Yes. Then I submit. Then immediately I view my scores. They are there. 4/4. That is quite well. So as the teacher, you go to your drive and then you find this. If I try to refresh this page, you will get it there as a teacher. So in your drive, so you go to your drive, it is here, you click on it, and then you will see responses. So you can see there is response here 1 that I have already submitted, and you can see the total points that you're supposed to get. So as a teacher, you click here where it is written responses, and now you can see the summary. You can study this one inside question by question. The question that or maybe the students, they have passed in this question, they have failed in this question, all of them, you can do that. It is analyzed there. You can look at the question itself. Then you can look at the individual work. This is mine, question Karanja, you can see that, and how I perform. So you can see individual work at a glance. And then there is this icon here written create spreadsheet. Create a new spreadsheet from the a new spreadsheet. You say create, and then now you can see the MacBook. Now this is your MacBook. You can see it is written here the time, the score, the name of the student Karanja, and then the way I've answered it. Then you can print this one. You can also share with your head of department or with your principal or even parents. You can share with them. So it is very simple. You can print it and put it in your file, in your TPAD file, and so on and so forth. So that is how you can convert a Google form into a quiz. Thank you.